Hey guys, so today we're gonna make an oatmeal bread loaf. If you want to know more about this recipe, continue watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We need 1 cup of whole oatmeal and 1 1/3 cup of boiling water and mix it together. And then 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey if that's what you want. Then, put 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Let's give it a whisk. Mix 3 cups of bread flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, then put 1 teaspoon of active yeast, mix all the ingredients until fully incorporated. Now, we're going to start the kneading process. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and you can also comment down below if you have any suggested recipe. After kneading the dough, grease it with butter or oil. Cover it with cloth and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. After flattening the dough, we will now shape it into a log. Place the log into a lightly greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. After the second proofing, we will now brush it with water and sprinkle some whole oats. Cover it with foil and put it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius. After 40 minutes, put it in a cooling rack and let it cool completely before cutting.